Instead of saying rich, try saying affluent. For example, I grew up in an affluent neighborhood. Word number 6. Instead of saying smart, say astute. For example, instead of saying she's very smart, try saying she's astute. Word number 7. Instead of saying show, say demonstration. For example, I am demonstrating how to speak posh. Don't use good. Use the word fair. For example, imagine you have a problem and your friend offers a solution to it. Instead of saying that's a very good solution, we're going to say that's a fair solution to our problem. Second word, instead of using important, use significant in a sentence. For example, this is a significant discovery to our project. Word number 3. Instead of using unclear in a sentence, use vague. For example, instead of saying your answer is unclear, try saying your answer is vague. Instead of saying help, say assist. For example, I am assisting you with your learning in English. Instead of saying rich, try saying affluent. For example, I grew up in an affluent neighborhood. Word number 6. Instead of saying smart, say astute. For example, instead of saying she's very smart, try saying she's astute. Word number 7. Instead of saying show, say demonstration. For example, I am demonstrating how to speak posh English instead of slangs. Word number 8. Instead of saying think, say contemplate. For example, I need some time to contemplate your offer. Instead of, I need some time to think about your answer. Word number 9. Instead of saying scared, say apprehensive. For example, she felt apprehensive before the interview. Instead of saying need, say require. For example, word is required for a good living. Word number 11. Instead of saying great, try saying excellent. For example, instead of saying you did great at the assignment, try saying you did excellent job at the assignment. Don't say ask, say inquire. For example, may I inquire about your travel, please? Instead of saying wrong, say erroneous. For example, this conclusion was made on erroneous assumptions. Instead of using simple, say straightforward. For example, this recipe was very straightforward to follow. Do not say mean, say malicious. For example, he spread a malicious rumor about his colleague. Instead of try saying endeavor. For example, we must endeavor to improve our situation. Instead of saying big, say substantial. For example, this company made a substantial investment in new technology. Don't say you have many work to do. Say you have enormous work to do. Instead of happy, try saying content. For example, I'm content with my life. Stop saying bad. Say unfavorable. For example, the proposal received unfavorable response. Last one. Don't say rude. Say impolite. For example, it would be impolite to interrupt the speaker. That is the end for today.